Mountain Girl Studio, and I'm coming today just to let you know that these two items will be up on my website by tomorrow, probably tomorrow evening at the latest. My husband's in charge of my website, which is super kind of him, and I'm very grateful. So he has his day job also, so but I just want to let you know these will be my website and they will be up by Wednesday. Let's go there. And I just wanted to run through them really quick with you again. Yes, I did some project share videos with them, but I like to let you know when they are going to be available if you're interested. And so here was the first one. This is a wall plaque, and in my project share I stated that I needed some kind of hanger, and this is kind of what I came up with. I hope you guys like that. So this is a piece of wood. It's an whole piece of wood. And then this was an altered tag that I had done, and so I also altered the wood. Tons of layers, grunginess. It's just super amazing. And of course my numbers are on there, so I'll just give you a quick look. Lots of layers. Super fun project. I really love doing home decor as well as art pieces. I think it's a lot of fun to be able to hang art on the wall in any forms, especially mixed media. So again, there's the hanger. So it's a wire hanger, and these are wood glued and nailed on the back. These are little tabs I found and rusted. They've become pretty handy in a lot of different ways. So there's that. That'll be up soon. And then this altered fabric paper book. It's very 2D-ish, very texturized. The cover almost feels like a leather pleather kind of a feel. Very textured. There's some of the tags that I've made. These are just bookmark, old book plates that I've had for a ton of years, a long time. And so I just rusted them, made them dangles. Another way to use that. And some glass beads and tons of texture. These are clay and hand painted. So I'll just let you see all the texture. Very grungy, but very pretty. I like to do shabby, but I like to do it my style. And there is a safety pin there. Some ticking. The underneath layer is paper, so you'll see kind of some papers peeking through. Some stains on there, and caustic wax dripped on it. I mean, this thing has got the kitchen sink on it, you guys. This was so much fun. It's a lot of fun. This measures, I think, 4 by 8. It's like a TN style. It has one signature in it, and I just bound it through the back here. You can see that it has crusty paint on it and some crackle paint and a green seam binding ribbon to tie it off for the closure. And then here it is. It's like I said, it's stiff, but it's really durable, you guys. Here's some of my papers that I've done. And so you open it, this is a piece of lace here. Just some simple tabs. It's like an art book, like you can gesso the pages, do what you want with it. This is some more fabric inside the spine. Some lace, really delicate lace on the pages there. Coffee stain paper, some deli paper, and then I just took the lace and spritzed it and kind of gave me that silhouette there. Some more dyed dictionary paper. You can see that kind of better there. Fun stuff. So like I said, you could gesso this, you could ink it, you could write on top of it, put other pieces of paper in there. More of that texture and the glued in the spine there. Isn't that neat, you guys? I love that. It's a pretty, lots of pages. I love this page out of there. I didn't want to use that, but I did, and I think it looks awesome. Love that. Talks about paintbrushes. So some more just kind of repeats itself. I kind of wanted to show you the ride, right? Art is the ride. Oh, this kind of got stuck together. Hold on, you guys. Oh, there we go. Fixed. Alright, there you go. And there's the end. And there's the grunginess on the back there. And this is just some more lace, all grunged up. And then here's the back. So let's open it and see how it looks open. And it won't crack, you guys. It's very flexible. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I love this so much. So yeah, so these will be up on my website by Wednesday. So yeah, so look at them if you're interested. Thank you again for supporting my channel and my website. I also have an Instagram. If you want to check all those links, those are below. And to my website, anything, and any other part of my social media. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.